Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Juliet. So in this video I will be attempting Canadian smoking. So I have my satin here, and this is the type of sleeve we're going to be trying. This is the wrong side of my satin facing up. Now I folded one end of it where my elastic is going to pass through later on, but I didn't sew it all the way to the end. Now on this end, I'm marking 1.5 inch, which will serve as my seam allowance later. So we're not going to be smoking beyond these lines. I'm doing the same thing on this other end, marking 1.5.
Shine bright up all night.
Connecting that to a straight line. Then on the top part, I'll come down by 1 inch as well. That will also serve as the seam allowance. That is the part that will be joining to the other half of the sleeve.
So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like.
So moving forward, I will be drawing my boxes. I used 4 inches of space here, but that depends on you. You can use 1 inch, you can use 1.5, you can use 2, you can use 2.5, you can use 3, like that. I used 4 because I don't want the pattern too tight. So do you. I'm marking it this way, trying to make it easy for me. After that, I connect the lines with a ruler.
A mind you can't control, running wild, can't calm down. My head is in the clouds. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise.
So after that, we're going to make another line or more lines, but this other side this time around. The same 4 inches is what I'm marking all the way to the end. I will do that on both the upper part and the lower part, as you can see. So for this type of sleeve, what you do is multiply your round sleeve where your balloon is going to start by 3 or 4, depending on how full you want it to be at the end of the day. And then for the length, you add 5 inches. Let's say your sleeve length in total is 15, and then your balloon is going to start at about 10 inches. So what you have left for your balloon is 5 inches, but instead of cutting 5 inches for your length, you cut out 10. That is what will bring out the balloon effect.
Shine bright up on.
So I'm connecting the lines with the straight ruler.
Fall in love, drunk mistakes. We're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're.
So now we have our boxes. So each box is 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. So the down part, the last box was not up to 4 again, but I left it like that. Yours may not be like this.
Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights.
So here I draw a slant facing the left. I leave one space and I draw another slant. then I leave a whole column, and then I draw another slant facing the right. But the here's the English to explain this thing now. Just watch what I'm doing. So on each column, the slant is facing another way, and it's now on the same line with the previous one.
Lose myself now, do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a life.
So it's time to start sewing. Thread your needle with a matching thread, and then pick one end of the slant and pick the other end like so, and then make a tight stitch and knot. I think I made a little too much, but it's okay. So we're going to continue with the same process. What am I even saying? We are going to continue picking and sewing and knotting like that till we finish the entire boxes.
Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, draw.
And when you're sewing, look carefully, because when you get to the middle, or when you do most of them, some of the boxes can be hidden and you may skip them.
Lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold. I mind you.
Meanwhile, have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you haven't, I think this is the time to do so. Just click on the subscribe button below and give this video a like if you are still watching. Give it a like. Thank you.
Lose myself now. Do it.
So here is it, all done, and this is what we have on the wrong side, and then over to the right side, this is what we have. Beautiful. Oh, it's so fine. Okay, so imagine if you used maybe like 2 inches or 1.5. How tight and beautiful would that be? But that was not the look I was going for here. So I'll join it to the sleeve, and here is it. Oh God. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Please remember to subscribe. Bye.
For a second